Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to add protein powder to yogurt, step by step. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients for our delicious and nutritious snack. You'll need your favorite yogurt, whether it's plain or flavored, and a protein powder that you enjoy. Also, grab a mixing bowl, a spoon, and a measuring scoop. Ensuring your ingredients are at room temperature can help with smoother mixing. Now let's get to the mixing. To avoid any lumps, start by adding just 1 scoop of your chosen protein powder to a small amount of yogurt in your bowl. Stir this vigorously until you have a smooth, thick paste. Then, gradually incorporate the remaining yogurt, mixing continuously. Keep stirring until the entire mixture is fully combined and beautifully creamy, ready for the next step. Once mixed, you can customize your protein yogurt to perfection. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a splash of milk or water, 1 tablespoon at a time until it's just right. For a sweeter taste, mix in a touch of honey or maple syrup. Feel free to add your favorite fruits, nuts, or granola for extra texture and nutrients. Taste and adjust until it's exactly how you like it. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious, protein-packed creation. For the best flavor and texture, we recommend serving your yogurt immediately. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It's best to consume them within 1 to 2 days to maintain optimal freshness. Don't hesitate to experiment with different protein powders and toppings for endless variety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.